sun is coming up, and there's been thunder claps all night long. It's been raining, and good day to be on a bus. I know it'll be fine. But whenever we do a land border crossing, it always makes me a little bit nervous. But I think the process should go okay. So we just are getting stamped out of Cambodia. We're going over there and crossing into Vietnam for some lunch, and then to enter Vietnam officially. So far, so good. Alright, so we're waiting at the border, having some lunch. Our lunch consists of barbecue flavored coated peanuts by Tong Garden, and classic Bear Boss Buddies. Potato crisps, Mr. Chef's. Oh, it's not Mr. Potato. Uh-oh. Disappointing. And then we got, what else we got? Oh yeah, you got some weird crispy dinosaur looking chocolatey strawberry malt and vitamin rich. It's got B12. It tastes like Fruit Loops.
What's that?
It tastes like Fruit Loops.
I'm not getting that. Oh wait, maybe I am.
Yeah, like lime flavored Fruit Loops. Not crazy. It tastes like Fruit Loops.
I mean, there's savory flavor on top of it, but if you wait, then yeah, there's this Fruit Loops aftertaste.
Real company we took the bus with was really good at getting you across the border. We already have our visas, but it's pretty hassle-free thus far. We'll tell you how it goes when we're on the other side.
What it is?
Yeah. Looks weird. Looks good and weird.
Love it first bite.
See if you like it.
Same towards dinosaurs.
Lovely. Oh, thanks. Got Rice Krispies in it?
Got crunchy bitch.
Got Rice Krispies. Just tastes like chocolate and strawberry. And vitamins.
excited?
Yeah.
Cool.
Hopefully we can find a thing.
Yeah, maybe. A nice place to hang out.
Yeah. That bus ride was only 7 hours. That's much quicker than taking an airplane.
Yeah.
Where's the dog headed? Can we follow it?
Business dog wearing his business outfit.
Like a business Oompa Loompa. There's a lot going on here.
Yeah. All sports.
Oh, welcome to Ho Chi Minh.
Yeah, thanks.
Let me give you a room tour now that we finally arrived. Oh, it's doing the flickery thing. This is the kitchen. It's got a little filtered water tap, which is excellent. Washing machine, which we need desperately. There's a bathroom in there, but I won't turn the light on because I don't know how. There's a lot of switches here, so it's kind of hard to know which switches are the switches. There's a little seated area and a little worky area. Wow, it's a lot of remotes. Did you see how many remote controls there are?
No.
Oh dear. There's a man in the bed. He looks very happy. And then there's a bathtub in this corner. You know, just in case you want to bathe with the city looking on. And the best part is always this. Got a little thing you can lift up and have your little bevies on. Yeah, that's the view. There's a big park over here too that we walked to get here, which looks like a fun time to explore at night. So we're gonna rest for a little bit, and then we are going to make our way out to find some food at some point, right? That's the only plan? It says home is where the cat is. We don't have a cat at home. We don't have a home then? No. Anyway. Just like a bright blue disaster in the camera. Oh, not any better. No, maybe a little bit. I don't know. Cheers to maybe you finally wanting beer again? I don't know. We'll see. I've been having to fill that void.
It's nice.
It's cold, which is the main thing. Cheers, love.
Yes.
What do you got over there?
Fried tofu and tomato sauce.
Tofu and tomato sauce. And I got a curry with fish and potatoes and carrots and onions. Delicious. It's coconutty and it's great. And yeah, I'm gonna devour this. Yeah, that was a great dinner until the end of it, and then I wanted to punch the lady in the face. But anyway, she wouldn't make change for a really small bill, honestly. And then she stuck her hand in my purse and grabbed a bunch of money, which made me feel really uncomfortable and unhappy. And because she wouldn't break my money, I had nothing to give a tip, so no, screw her. I'm sorry. You're talking about going back tomorrow for breakfast too, so we're not doing that.
There's a similar restaurant every 2 feet.
Yeah, there is, but I don't know. That made me, like, I was having such a great time, and then she was just so abrasive in her face, and like we waited forever for the bill, and then she just rushed us, like grabbed money out of my wallet, and like.
When you stormed off, the rest of the staff looked concerned.
Really?
Yeah.
I didn't notice
the
that.
guy that ushered us to our seat
Yeah?
said, "Please come back," and sort of.
Really? You said that?
Well, not like right now, but
Oh.
like "come again" type sentiment.
Oh.
I forget his exact
Yeah,
words,
right.
but I
Anyway.
hear they smile this nod.
I was less incensed, but yeah, reaching into your wallet is fucked up.
That's not cool. Anyway, we went to the family mart and got some stuff to make breakfast tomorrow because we're not going to go there for breakfast. So we got some bread and some butter and some eggs and some beverages. I hope I wasn't too rude, but also I just felt like that was totally out of line.
I think that did warrant that, and in such a, like, there's literally restaurant, like street stall, like, they have a million competitors.
Everybody else was really nice. There was just that one lady. I wish we didn't have to deal with her at the very end, because we had no other part in our experience. Whatever. It's fine. We're going to enjoy some beverages and maybe watch some YouTubes and go to sleep. Goodbye day, right?
Yep.